Imagine stepping out of your yacht straight into your home. Hello, I am Şenay Metin from Vida Real Estate. Today we are in Marina. Vida Residences Dubai Marina is a new premium class residential complex developed by the largest construction company in the UAE, MR. Welcome to your apartment. Apartment has 2 bedrooms. It's 1 bedroom here and 1 bedroom behind side. Actually, it's nice open kitchen area and also comfortable and modern style furniture. Also, after work, you can chill here with your family. Please come and check amazing balcony. Easy access to bedroom from balcony. Also, you can access easily to your living room. Modern style bathroom is quite spacious. We are in 2nd bedroom. As you see, also it has a nice view. Actually, every part of this apartment has perfect marina view. 1095 square feet area and only 5.1 million dirham. Vida Residences Dubai Marina is located in heart of Marina, within a walking distance of the Dubai Metro and Dubai Tram. World-class restaurants, cafes, and other infrastructure are in close proximity. I am Şenay Metin. If you want to get more details, please contact me.